was working, ang nangyari po kasi nagkasakit po ako.
Okay po.
Palagi po akong natatakot na baka mawalan ako ng trabaho. I was not physically fit para i-keep ng company. I have problem in my feet and in my eyes. So, kailangan ko ng something na pagkakakitaan.
Ever since po noon, nung nag-start po kayo sa jewelry, may problems na po
No,
kayo?
after 10 years, I had a very rare disease named Steven Johnson. It's just once in a million. And then, na-damage po yung mata ko, which is not physically fit para magtrabaho sa isang jewelry company. Kasi po, di ba, dapat kapag sa jewelry company, formal ka.
Ano pong work nyo sa jewelry company?
Shop manager po ako ng jewelry company, ma'am.
Okay po.
That time, ma'am, burn na talaga yung mukha ko. So, parang hindi na ako confident kung ano yung ginagawa ko. By time to time, ma'am, sasabihin nila magta-terminate ng staff. Hindi na ako nakakatulog. Kasi, ma'am, I have family to support too. May anak po ako dito. May family ako sa Pilipinas. Kailangan kong maghanap ng way kung paano ako kikita ng pera.
How did you find out about the disease?
Pagkatapos ko po kasing manganak, ma'am, nag-exercise ako kasi syempre, ma'am, nanganak ka po, medyo lalaki yung katawan nyo. So, yan na naman po, babalik ka naman yung trabaho. Kailangan kong maging physically fit para sa trabaho ko. Kailangan kong mag-lose ng weight. Ang ginawa ko, ma'am, nag-exercise ako immediately after nung panganganak ko. Which is, hindi pala siya pwede. Sobrang heavy nung katawan, ma'am. Na-damage yung buto ko, ma'am. 1-year-old pa lang po yung anak ko. Doon ako nagkasimulang magkasakit.
Nagpunta po kayo hospital tapos na-diagnose po kayo right away?
Hindi, ma'am. After 4 years ako na-diagnose ng sakit ko. Nabigyan ako ng gamot na hindi pala para sa akin. Usually, dapat, ma'am, di ba, merong skin allergy test. Which is that time, hindi ako in-skin allergy test ng doktor. So, on the other hand, meron din kamalian yung doktor. Pero binalikan ko naman yung doktor, ma'am. Ang gusto nga nung asawa ko, ma'am, balikan yung doktor, sabihin kung ano yung nangyari sa akin. Kasi merong mga nagsasabi na pwede siyang i-complain sa Ministry of Health. Pero kami, ma'am, ng asawa ko talaga, ma'am, ang ano na lang namin is ipagdasal na lang yung doktor. Kasi, ma'am, may family yung doktor eh. Possible kasi na mawala ng license. Marami kasing possibility na mangyari, ma'am. Kasi parang pagpapabaya yung nangyari, ma'am.
So, ano po yung Steven Johnson?
Steven Johnson is an allergic reaction po sa gamot, especially
okay.
sa mga antibiotics, ma'am. I would like to take this opportunity pa as awareness, ma'am, sa mga tao. Before taking any medication po, please make sure that you consult a doctor. You ask for an allergy test. I was blind for 8 months. Typically, just closing my eyes on the bed. Kailangan ko po ng kasama, ma'am, na taong aalalay sa akin from bed to washroom, ma'am. Kasi pati po yung mga mucus ng mata ko, ma'am, na-damage talaga siya. So, I traveled 2 times in India, ma'am. Nagpa-mucus grafting ako from lips to eyes. Nag-transfer sila ng skin from lips to eyes. And that time, after po ng surgery, nabuksan ko na yung mata ko, ma'am. Please, everyone, I would like to take this a chance na magkaroon po sila ng awareness about the disease, ma'am. The name is Steven Johnson po.
Thank you po, Ms.
Thank
Regine.
you po.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more inspired content featuring OFW business success story. Keep chasing your dreams and turn your entrepreneurial visions into reality. Remember, what we think, we become. See you next time.